The Caterpillar D2 2026 is more than just a piece of heavy equipment. It's a modern revival of a classic name that first hit the dirt back in the 1930s. The original D2 was known for being compact, durable, and surprisingly versatile for its time. Fast forward nearly a century, and the 2026 model continues that tradition with new technology, enhanced efficiency, and operator comfort that reflects decades of evolution in machinery design. But before we get into the modern-day features, let's talk legacy. The early D2 models were built to handle small to mid-sized tasks, often used on farms, construction sites, and military projects. It was a popular machine partly because it could do big things without needing a big budget or a large crew. Now, Caterpillar's decision to bring back the D2 name isn't just about nostalgia. It's a statement that compact track-type tractors still matter, and they're more important than ever in industries that require both muscle and finesse. The 2026 D2 is built to serve that need. It's smaller than the massive D8s or D11s you might see in mining operations, but it's built with the same attention to detail and rugged reliability that Caterpillar is famous for. From the moment you climb into the cab, you notice the difference. It's quiet. It's climate-controlled. It's spacious for a compact dozer. Touchscreen displays and ergonomic controls make it feel more like operating a high-end piece of construction tech than a traditional dozer. For operators who spend long hours behind the controls, this is a game changer. Fatigue is reduced and productivity increases. The integrated technology in the D2 2026 is another leap forward. Caterpillar's grade control system allows for precise blade positioning. That means less rework, fewer passes, and smoother surfaces with minimal effort. It uses GPS and machine control systems to maintain exact specifications, helping operators, even less experienced ones, achieve results that used to require years of know-how. This is especially useful in fine grading applications, landscaping, or projects where millimeter-level accuracy is critical. Let's talk power. Under the hood, the D2 2026 comes equipped with a Tier 4 final diesel engine that balances performance and emissions. It's compliant with the latest environmental regulations without compromising on torque or fuel efficiency. With around 92 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission system, the D2 delivers consistent power to the tracks, making it agile in tight spaces while still strong enough to push through tough terrain. It's the kind of power you can rely on for multiple applications, whether it's clearing land, backfilling, or grading on a job site that demands precision and muscle. One of the standout features on the D2 is its traction and stability. Thanks to the balanced undercarriage and durable track system, it holds its ground even in loose soil or on slopes. The oscillating undercarriage helps maintain blade contact with the surface, which is crucial when you're working on uneven ground. That means better performance, safer operation, and reduced wear and tear on both the machine and the surface you're working on. Maintenance is another area where Caterpillar listened to its users. Daily service points are accessible from the ground, making routine checks faster and safer. The redesigned engine compartment allows for easy access to filters, fluids, and major components, cutting down on downtime and keeping the machine running at peak performance. For fleet managers and operators alike, less time in the shop means more time on the job, and that translates to better profits and more satisfied clients. The D2 2026 also offers a host of smart features, including remote diagnostics and telematics. Using CAT Product Link, you can monitor machine health, fuel usage, hours, and even location from your phone or laptop. This data-driven approach helps operators stay ahead of maintenance issues, track productivity, and reduce idle time. For companies managing multiple machines, these insights are invaluable. They help with scheduling, job costing, and overall equipment optimization. One of the quieter benefits of the 2026 D2 is its impact on the job site environment. The machine is noticeably quieter than older models. Noise pollution may not seem like a big deal at first, but on long jobs, or in urban or residential areas, reduced noise levels mean fewer complaints, better safety for workers, and less strain on the operator. Plus, lower emissions and improved fuel economy show Caterpillar's commitment to sustainability without sacrificing strength. Versatility is where the D2 really shines. It's not just a one-trick machine. With a range of attachments like rippers, winches, and angle blades, you can customize the D2 for multiple roles. It's the kind of dozer that fits into a broad range of projects, from road work to residential development to utility work and beyond. Its size means it can be transported easily between sites without special permits in many regions, making it a convenient choice for contractors who move frequently. It's also a great fit for rental fleets due to its broad appeal and ease of use. Operators with varying levels of experience can learn the controls quickly, thanks to the intuitive interface and automated features that assist with grading and operation. Caterpillar's emphasis on operator training and machine intelligence ensures that even newer crew members can be productive from day one. What sets the D2 2026 apart from the competition isn't just its feature set. It's the legacy, the design philosophy, and the way it bridges the gap between old-school toughness and new-school tech. It respects the past while embracing the future, combining reliability with innovation in a way that only Caterpillar can deliver. It's built to last, to perform, and to adapt to the evolving needs of modern construction and earth-moving professionals. So whether you're a seasoned dozer operator looking for something more comfortable and efficient, or a project manager needing a reliable, flexible machine for your crew, the Caterpillar D2 2026 makes a strong case. It's proof that small dozers can still make a big impact. The Caterpillar D2 2026 isn't just a nod to history. It's a machine built for today's toughest demands with tomorrow's expectations in mind. From the first time you power it up to the final blade pass on a job site, you'll feel the difference. It's smooth, it's smart, it's powerful, and it's ready to get to work.